ark of
Since
gopher wood.
Bible stow
I
and
will,
throw,
Lord.
build an ark both big and tall. Hammer,
Every
hammer,
plank
day by
counts.
day.
We're making
Noah
great
worked and
progress.
chose God's way. Two by
Welcome,
two,
my
the
friends.
animals came.
Come safely
Each one
inside.
different, none the same. Lions, zebras, birds in flight, safe inside
Lord will
both
keep
day
us
and
safe.
night. Rain fell
Aren't
down
they
for
so
many days. God protected them
We are all
always.
safe
When
and
the
sound
flood
in
was finally done, a rainbow shone beneath the
A
sun.
fresh olive leaf. God has remembered us. Thank you for your faithful promise.